Welcome to my review of SendGrid. If you're in the market for an email marketing platform, you've probably come across this tool. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through my personal experience using SendGrid, so you can decide if it's the right choice for your email marketing needs. SendGrid is one of the leading email marketing platforms, known for its robust API and scalability. It offers a variety of features designed to help businesses manage their email campaigns efficiently. The platform supports both transactional and marketing emails, which is a huge plus if you're running an e-commerce store or any business with customer interactions by email. One thing to note about SendGrid is its clean interface, which is user-friendly. Setting up your account and connecting your domain is straightforward, and even for beginners, it doesn't take long to get started. The dashboard is intuitive, and you can quickly access everything from email templates to analytics. Not sure how to avoid draining your wallet on gifts? I used to face that problem too, until I discovered Giftmeo, where you can get cash back on your purchases and keep surprising your loved ones without breaking the bank. Click the link in the description. When it comes to creating campaigns, SendGrid offers a variety of pre-designed templates that you can customize easily. The drag-and-drop editor is smooth, but it's not as feature-packed as some competitors, like MailChimp. That said, it's still a great option for most small to medium-sized businesses. As for pricing, SendGrid offers both free and paid plans. The free plan includes up to 100 emails per day, which can be a good starting point. However, if you want to send more emails or access advanced features like A/B testing, automation, and higher email limits, you'll need to upgrade to a paid plan. The paid plans can get expensive, especially for larger businesses, but you do get a lot for your money, especially when it comes to deliverability and scalability. SendGrid's deliverability rate is generally solid, meaning your emails are more likely to land in inboxes rather than spam folders. However, it's not perfect, and you'll need to monitor your email health closely. The analytics dashboard helps with this by providing insights into bounce rates, open rates, and click-through rates. Another thing to consider is SendGrid's customer support. While their knowledge base is extensive, I found that reaching out to their support team can sometimes take a bit longer than I'd like. They do have a ticketing system, but you may experience some delays depending on the time of day. SendGrid also integrates with various third-party tools, like CRMs and e-commerce platforms, which is convenient if you're looking to automate workflows or integrate your email campaigns with other marketing efforts. All in all, SendGrid is a solid choice for email marketing, especially if you're looking for scalability and a reliable API. It might not be the most intuitive for beginners compared to some competitors, but its features and performance make it a powerful tool once you get the hang of it. If you're considering SendGrid for your business or email marketing needs, I highly recommend giving it a try. Just make sure to weigh its pros and cons. Check out the links in the description for more information and offers. Remember to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more honest reviews like this one.